I'll zoom in. Sorry, hang on. Stay like that for a sec. Maybe I should do it this way. Hang on. Hang on. Oh. Yeah, hang on. Yeah, that would be better. Yeah, should I take the picture? Yeah. Oh, hang on. Oh, hang on. Sorry, it's on the wrong setting.
Oh right, go on.
Just stay like that for a sec.
Just wait. Just hang on.
Stay like that. No, sorry. Hang on. Hang on. Actually, wait. Yeah, try and stay still. Stay still.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, Miguel, it's blurred. Oh, it's just blurred. Oh, for goodness sake.
What are we going to do?
Yeah, that's it. Well done.